Okay, guys, it's coronavirus time. So we're all protected here. Got gloves, mask, but is that really needed? You know, if you're sick, that's a whole nother story. But these things aren't gonna help you. The biggest thing to help you to not get sick is wash your hands. Very simple. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. You're gonna pick this up from metal surfaces, people coughing, so keep your distances, no handshakes. With a cough, I mean, when you're coughing, you got 10 feet that sneeze or that cough, whatever's gonna go. So it's just being cautious. And you know what, this isn't something that's new. It's something we should be doing already. So this is a good wake-up call for everybody. Remember, you go to the bathroom, wash your hands. You cough into your hand, wash your hands. You should be coughing into your sleeve. Turn away, like, no handshakes. Like, I've never liked handshakes, but I do it because it's polite. But it's a wake-up call for people because, you know, not everybody washes their hands. And this is how people get sick. So just be smart about it and be safe. So make sure you do your due diligence. Keep your hands clean. If you're sick, stay at home. Very simple. And that's a message from Ridgewater Homes. Thanks for watching. See you later.